Video 657, Bombs for Josh, Part 7. So in the Data by System section, within the ABOMB section on the client side, we have created geometry designs for the Josh shader, so the geometry tiles. So the tile 0 on the geometry layer is just nothingness, right? Because it's empty space. And then geometry tile 1, we're just gonna put a 1 in there, right? And in geometry tile 2, just put a 2 in there. So why are we just doing this? Like 3, geometry 3, it has a 3, right? 4 just has a 4, right? And then 5, geometry 5, it just has a 5, right? And then 6 just has a 6, right? Design 7 literally has just a 7 in there. You get the idea, right? 8 has an 8 in here. And then when we go down to 9, 9 just has a 9 in here. And 10 just has a 10 in here. I don't even know if I can do this in the time allotment. 11 has an 11 in here, right? 12 has a 12 in there. And then 13, oh, what does it have in there? Oh my god, a 13. Oh my god, I'm so surprised. 14 has a 14 in it. And then 15, the last tile value, right? 0 to 15 is 16 tile values. We're just putting the fucking numbers in there, right? Because this is the bare minimum to get the game mechanics working. And so Josh said, hey, I need to know what tile type something is by looking at the texture. Well, there you go. You got a texture that unambiguously tells you what tile type it is. And the texture is just stamping a goddamn number on the tile value. Yes, it's going to look like fucking Minesweeper. That does not fucking matter, though, right now, because this is not the final shader. This is just a shader to get the game mechanics working and get it so that we can actually get some gameplay. And we're not going to worry too much about the graphics. We're just going to get the goddamn gameplay working, all right? So this is what we did previously. And then down here is our footnote for the geometry designs. And then here's what we did in this video. So if you want a longer explanation, which I don't know why you would for this one, but you can get one. So right here, 10-minute explanation on Ninja Coder. You've been on the 1 minute per video playlist here on Kanji Coder. If you just want technical demos, this is the playlist for you on Weeb Coder. The source code is right here, and ways of getting a hold of me are here. So like and subscribe and send money in the mail. I am Kanji Coder. I am making a game engine and a game from complete fucking scratch in JavaScript using a C99 data-oriented design style. Fuck OOP. We don't do OOP in this class or whatever we call this later.